Looking to apply for a loan from Standard Chartered Bank? Whether it's a personal loan, home loan, or business financing, getting a loan involves specific steps. In this guide, I'll outline the general process for applying for a loan from Standard Chartered Bank. To start, visit the Standard Chartered Bank website or a local branch. Browse their loans section to understand the different types of loans available and their eligibility criteria. Identify the loan product that best suits your needs, like a personal loan or mortgage. You'll then typically apply online or in person. Be prepared to provide extensive documentation, including proof of income, identity, address, and any other financial statements they require. The bank will assess your creditworthiness and repayment capacity. Finally, if your application is approved, the bank will offer you a loan agreement outlining the terms, interest rates, and repayment schedule. Read this carefully before signing. Once signed, the funds will be disbursed according to the agreement. And there you have it. Getting a loan from Standard Chartered Bank involves a clear process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.